Excellencies, dear participants, dear ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this topical and timely inaugural event of the Educate a Child lecture series, jointly organized by the Education Above All Foundation from Qatar, the Mission 4.7 consortium that includes education efforts from around the world, and the Center for Sustainable Development at Columbia University. The climate crisis confronts us with unprecedented challenges that can at times seem quite overburdening and worrisome. This makes it particularly important to convene various stakeholders with different expertise to deliberate and discuss innovative and collaborative solutions nurtured by an education system that is fit to the challenge. Like all things, education must go with the times and constantly adapt to the challenges at hand. Particularly now, we must carefully rethink and advance our curriculums and foundational education practices and concepts to prepare ourselves for issues that concern us all, including for those just entering the education system and those engaged in lifelong learning. To my mind, to face the most pressing challenges of our time, education in the 21st century must equip all learners, and particularly the youngest ones, with the values, skills, and knowledge that nurture cooperation, resilience, respect for diversity, gender equality, and human rights, as well as to foster a common sense of belonging and identity. It must also impart green skills and environmental sensibility to learners. This concept is called global citizenship education and forms part of the Target 4.7 of the SDGs. Mission 4.7 is devoted to the advancement of this target, and I salute this effort. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I strongly believe that we are all united in our strive towards a better future as global citizens. The challenges we face today requires us to think beyond national borders and dividing lines, and instead focus on what unites us. This should also be reflected in our education systems. This lecture series serves as an opportunity platform for discourse and exchange on transformative education, bringing together ministers, practitioners, educators, and youth alike to approach the issue of foundational learning from different viewpoints. I hope that the ministerial panel and the technical panel that are part of the program today will be able to identify linkages and build bridges towards global citizenship education and a better future for all, leaving no one behind. I wish you fruitful and constructive discussions and convey my best wishes to you all. Thank you.